This is a press briefing by my humble self, Commissioner for River State, this afternoon. Today is 5th of December 2024. The River State Police Command has successfully neutralized a notorious kidnap kingpin and murder suspect called Nkem, Thankgod, also known as Tuma. This individual had been wreaking havoc in mostly Ape land consisting of Ahaoda East, Ahaoda West local government areas, particularly Abolobo community and its environment in Akinema division under Ahaoda West local government area. According to preliminary investigations, since the death of Fubara, have been mounting technical intelligence on his gang members. Therefore, following this preliminary investigation, Nkem Thankgod was responsible for serial heinous crimes within that area. And within the period of 2023-2024, the same suspect has committed series of violent crimes, which includes, but not limited to, the killing of a Bolt driver last year around December 2023. He shot one of our officers, Afe Babalola, on his mouth at Abolobo community during a rescue operation of one Adebayo, who he kidnapped and killed in the year 2022. That one has been for over 2 years. Killed 2 RRT men in the year 2023. Kidnapped and killed an Igbo man who did on spare parts after collecting ransom in the year 2024 this year. In the month of October this year, he kidnapped and snatched a red-colored Toyota Camry from Dele. I think some of the relations or some of the victims were here present with us for this press briefing. He is also responsible for the incessant vandalization of pipeline and other critical infrastructure around Ahaoda West local government area of River State. He also equally attacked and killed 2 PMF personnel from PMF at Oko-Jumbo community under Ahaoda East this year. Oko-Jumbo community is situated between Ahaoda and Imbiama. He was also responsible for the killing of shell staff at the same Oko-Jumbo who were on transit to Bayelsa and also made away with their Hilux van. In the month of July this year, he murdered Franklin Nicholas and Obojima AU from Obodi community. On the 21st of 12, 2021, to take you back, he murdered Exmas Eddie, youth president of Oko-Jumbo community. On the 5th of March this year, murdered Mr. and Mrs. Rex Kireka and Mrs. Abigail Victor. All these cases were pending and under investigation before he met his Waterloo today. As a result of following the intelligent technical investigation we have been carrying out, today we are able to neutralize the suspects while trying to carry out another operation. Some exhibits recovered from the suspects, you will see it includes 2 AK-47 rifles, 5 magazines, and 20 rounds of live ammunition. So for now, the investigation is still ongoing, and efforts are being intensified to apprehend other members of his gang. I want to use this opportunity and medium to appeal to good people of Rivers State to collaborate with the Nigeria Police, Rivers State Police Command for effective service delivery. We are already on Ember Month, and the unitary period is around the corner. So we want to use this opportunity to call for engagement with the Nigeria Police Command. We call for synergy and collaboration to ensure we maintain law and order, we maintain peace, we ensure safety of life and property before, during, and after the unitide. One of the efforts we put in place to proactively secure the state is confidence building patrol. We have initiated a convoy patrol throughout the night till after the new year to ensure that people sleep with their 2 eyes closed. This convoy patrol involving all the tactical teams we have in Rivers State are going around 24/7 to all the nook and cranny, and they have been combing all the criminal hideouts, raiding the criminal dens, keep the criminal at bay, and ensure that people go home and sleep with their 2 eyes closed. So we are appealing to the general public to collaborate and cooperate with us to ensure safety of life and property. And we want to use this opportunity once again to share our number through the PPRO so that that number will be usable to us. If you have any information to give to us, you can quickly call us and we'll use it to communicate our patrol team and ensure we secure those areas. And I quite appreciate the responses of the general public over that patrol. People are appreciating us, sending us goodwill messages that, yes, the crime wave has drastically reduced in Rivers State. The glory of God will maintain the tempo and even improve on it. On this note, I want to thank you all for honoring this press conference, which is emergency in nature. We'll be keeping you posted from time to time when the need arises. If there's any other information needed, we are ready to clarify issues. And where there's any further press briefing, we'll get back to you at any point in time to address you and ensure that Rivers is secured, people are living, going about with their local business. Our doors and windows are open for contributions, for constructive criticisms, and for support to succeed, to assure people that we are alive to our responsibilities. If there's anything, when you see something, you should say something. By the grace of God, we want to ensure that the Ezma and the New Year come and go peacefully, and people will celebrate it by the grace of God in peace. Thank you, and God bless you.